If you're a busy mom like me, you're gonna wanna check this out. I found the holy grail to air fryers. This bad boy is my air fryer from Acekool. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just a regular air fryer, but it's not. It has a beautiful digital panel with a bunch of different presets. French fry, shrimp, cake, fish, steak, whatever. And it's easy to use at just a touch. You can control the temp and the time. And my favorite part, look how big that basket is. That wasn't enough to go get you running to their website? Wait, there's more. Let's cook something and I'll show you. Chicken tender, pizza roll, French fries, coconut shrimp. And one more incredible thing that sets this air fryer apart from any other old plain air fryer, it's got a window. You can watch your food cook. I could watch that for days. Moment of truth. Oh. Ooh, it's hot. Burning, but I can't stop. Oh. Oh, it's so hot. I know you hear that crunch. I know you hear it.